Hi everybody. I hope you can see me okay. I don't have my tripod. And I haven't done this in a while. Gone for a little walk, nature walk. And I went to take somebody some groceries and they're working on putting up cable for internet, and I couldn't get up the hill because they're blocking it. So I had to park down the road and somebody else doesn't walk. So I'm going to quit talking before I trip. Turn you guys around. We're going to go for a nature walk. Like I said, I haven't done this in a while. It's a little windy. And then of course, chilly, windy, chilly. I'll slow down. I don't know, we might see some critters. I don't know. We're hearing a neighbor's dog barking. Like I said, they've gotten a bunch of people working on putting in cable. So, and I haven't been on a nature walk in a long time, probably about a year, out here. So, I used to do it about once a week. And once in a while we'd see a deer. Whoop. I just saw a flag. Well, I don't think my phone picked it up because it was way out. Really pretty area. Great hunting. Hunting season is over. I think it's alternative season right now, I think. Or it might be over with too now. I don't remember. But I don't start coughing. Ever since I burned my lungs with using so much disinfectant spray, cold air bothers them, and I start coughing. So if I start coughing, guys, that's what is causing it. I'm gonna check out where you put salt out. All year long, you really want to take care of not just the deer, but you know, there's other animals that rely on things like salt licks, corn, birdseed, and you can see the hedge apples. You know, and here I'll show you where this is one of the areas that the deer come to quite frequently. I was going to say we wouldn't be surprised if we saw something way down in the field, but as you can see, this is really large. And they come here and the water gathers and they come here and get a drink. All kinds of animals come here, as you can see by the different types of tracks. So it's really cool. There's deer and raccoon and all kinds of animals that come here for a drink. Yep. But yeah, a lot of people do this. It's just good management for the animals and, you know, for their health. So I'm gonna head back out of here. And like I said, I parked my car because I couldn't get my car up the hill because the crew that's hanging, hold on. That's funny. I swear, it doesn't matter where I am, I get a phone call. Anyways, like I said, I parked at a neighbor's driveway, which is adjacent to his property, and he came down and picked me up with a four-wheeler, so I didn't have to carry his groceries and stuff up the hill. And so now I'm gonna walk down through here, and this is pretty. It is so peaceful. I'm just gonna walk down through here and yeah, go to my car and I actually love coming up here and just walking because it's peaceful, it's safe, nobody's gonna bother me, you know. And you never know if you're going to find wildlife to look at, turkeys, you know, deer, of course, abundance. In the spring, you'll see all kinds of little baby turkeys and all kinds of other baby animals, raccoons, and you name it. It's really cool. So, sorry that the camera's all over the place. Like I said, I don't have my tripod with me. I wasn't planning on this, but it is what it is. And look at that old tree. Wow, it looks like lightning struck it. Huh. Where's the rest of it? That's something. And gosh, I hope I think I took a different turn into the field is what I did. I would have come out that turn and I come into the other one, but yeah, nice and quiet. My car's actually parked right over there. I can see it through the woods. So anyways, I was kind of hoping to find. Isn't that pretty? Just pretty. Oops. And, you know, the weather's supposed to come in, get really cold tonight, and then snow tomorrow night, and be nasty. And at first I thought those were pussy willows, but it's not. It's just thorns. Big thorns. Let's stay away from those. So anyways, it looks like a little pond, or it could be a little divot in the ground there. But, so there's my vehicle. Parked over there. And this is, you know, all private property. But going downhill's fine. Nice and quiet, makes a beautiful walk. At first I was like, I'll just carry what groceries I have up, and I was like, ain't no way. It was too heavy. Now if I'd have thought, even remotely thought I was going to have an issue, I'd have had my wagon with me, you know, and I would have been fine. Oh, look at the feather. How pretty. The things you find when you're out and about. My hair is literally blowing everywhere. The wind is wicked. There's some geese flying, but I know you guys can't see them. They're way off. I can barely see them. So, my hair's in my mouth. Look at that behind me. It looks so pretty. The squirrels nest in the trees. Birds nest. It's awesome. So, anyways, sorry about my hand. I'm back to my car. And I'm going to get in it and warm my hands up, head home. Thank you all for hanging out with me. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will talk to you guys down in the comments below. Bye, guys.